I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the app and operating system are updated. Mismatched versions often crash. Next, free up at least 0.5 to 1 GB of storage and force close background apps to reduce resource pressure. Once done, restart the device to clear transient faults, then open the app and try to reproduce the crash right away. This sequence catches common, simple causes and gives you a clean baseline to move into deeper troubleshooting if the problem persists. You should clear the app cache first, and only clear data if you have a backup or can reconfigure. Clearing data reset settings. Then inspect crash logs or built-in diagnostics for error codes or stack traces. These point to faulty modules. If available, run the app in safe mode or under an alternate user profile to see if extensions or user settings cause the crash. Make sure to take screenshots of errors and record the exact steps to reproduce the failure for the final repair stage. Now reinstall the app cleanly. Uninstall, reboot, then install the latest stable build to eliminate corrupted installs. Once reinstalled, verify the crash is gone by repeating reproduction steps. If it persists, restore from a known good backup or reset app settings rather than the whole device. If none of that works, collect logs, reproduce steps, device model and OS version, and contact support. Quick tip: if you still see crashes, try a temporary downgrade to the previous stable version to confirm a recent update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.